Stat. Negligence is omission of duty caused either by an omission to do something which a reasonable man guided upon those considerations, who ordinarily by reason of conduct of human affairs would do or be obligated to, or by doing something which a prudent or reasonable man would not do, stop. Negligence does not always mean absolute carelessness, but want of such a degree of care as is required in particular circumstances, stop. Negligence is failure to observe, for the protection of the interests of another person, the degree of care, precaution and vigilance which the circumstances justly demand, whereby such other person suffers injury, stop para. The idea of negligence and duty are strictly correlative, stop. Negligence means either subjectively a careless state of mind, or objectively careless conduct, stop. Negligence is not an absolute term, but is a relative one, it is rather a comparative term, stop. No absolute standard can be fixed and no mathematically exact formula can be laid down by which negligence or lack of it can be infallibly measured in a given case, stop. What constitutes negligence varies under different conditions, and in determining whether negligence exists in a particular case, or whether a mere act or course of conduct amounts to negligence, all the attending and surrounding facts and circumstances have to be taken into account, stop. It is absence of care according to circumstances, stop, to determine whether an act would be or would not be negligent, it is relevant to determine if any reasonable man would foresee that the act would cause damage or not, stop. The omission to do what the law obligates, or even the failure to do anything in a manner, mode or method envisaged by law would equally and per se constitute negligence on the part of such person, stop. If the answer is in the affirmative, it is a negligent act, stop para. Where an accident is due to negligence of both parties, substantially there would be contributory negligence and both would be blamed, stop. In a case of contributory negligence, the crucial question on which liability depends would be whether either party could, by exercise of reasonable care, have avoided the consequence of the other's negligence, stop. Contributory negligence is applicable solely to the conduct of a plaintiff, stop para. It means that there has been an act or omission on the part of the plaintiff which has materially contributed to the damage, the act or omission being of such a nature that it may properly be described as negligence, although negligence is not given its usual meaning. Stop.